Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to select at least two tools equipment for animation I have on my hand, the pencil and the sharpener. A pencil is a tool used to write or draw. It has a thin stick of graphite inside that makes marks on paper. One of the best things about a pencil is that you can erase what you write or draw if you make a mistake. But if you use a pencil incorrectly, the tip may break easily, especially if you press too hard while writing or drawing. Holding the pencil the wrong way can result in messy or uneven handwriting. It may also cause discomfort or pain in your hand if you grip it too tightly or use too much pressure. In some cases, writing too hard can even tear the paper. Next is the sharpener. A sharpener is used to keep the pencil tip sharp. This helps maintain neat and precise writing or drawing. But if you use a sharpener incorrectly, it can damage the pencil. Twisting the pencil too hard or using a poor quality sharpener may cause the lead to break. Over sharpening can waste the pencil by making it shorter too quickly. Additionally, improper use of a sharpener, especially one with a blade, may cause minor injuries like cuts or scratches.